I'm going to be showing you guys how to cheat on Make It Rain. It's just Make It Rain. So, look. I have that many. I changes my doubt. Okay. This is my brother's tablet. He changed his dollars and I told him how to cheat. So, you just keep going how many. First, you want to. I just like to upgrade this.
You did not tell me how to.
Yes,
I know you didn't. No, you didn't.
Okay. He told me part of it. I figured out the rest myself, so I texted you actually told him.
No.
Myself. I
that
told
does
myself.
Not make sense. Yeah, you told yourself, but you didn't tell me.
Okay.
Why?
Okay. So I just like to first just get how many ever I can. We started over like 30 times. Stop, Mike.
Why?
Sorry. So a lot of your words are coming to me. You have to climb them. So. Okay. So you wanna do this, and then go to this screen where you can max things out that you don't need in it. Then actually go to your home screen and go to settings. Go to settings. Then you want to go to date and time. Okay, I can't find date and time. At the bottom. Or the bottom? Where? Oh, okay. We found it in time. Weird. Okay, then you want to go to set date. Not time, date. D-A-T-E. Not like the
set date.
But like the date of a year. And then since this is the 30th? The 20th. The 29th. Hey. Whatever. Then we're at the 30th because we've been the 30th. We've been doing this shit for a while. So then we're going to go to the 31st. Then go back to Make It Rain. Then go look at your bucket. It may or might not work.
No, you heard that? You heard that?
So you want to keep doing that. That's
the video.
Yeah. So now I'm going to show examples. What was I going to do? Yeah, and that's how you cheat on Make It Rain. Thank you very much. Hold on.
That's pretty Okay, guys, so look at my money right now. So I'm at like 10 billion. Now watch what happens when I do the cheat.
Yeah, I actually did the cheat right, but it didn't show up in the bucket. So you want to climb the bucket.
Look, now I'm at 128 billion. Oh, just by the way, guys, you guys might want to get the crown that's above, because when you get
right
that...
there! The crown is right there. Right there.
When you get that, you're basically like unstoppable. But if you upgrade, so look.
Okay.
Like the first one, I got it upgraded to 1,150. So this is not normal, but I guess I'll start over again.
Oh, that's like 31 times now. Unbelievable. So then he's going to pass me automatically because I'm using my phone to go on YouTube. So my brother is starting over right now.
So
he has at 0. He's at 0.
So I'm at 0.
At 0. Can I see you?
Stop, not me. I'm at 0. So, see that? I get 1 per swipe. Now look.
2.
It's
So it goes
12.
up to 12 and then 25. So it's kind of like
so
counting
it
my
goes by like 10, 12, or 11
5.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
So, I mean, yeah. So, peace out.
No. Show them the cheat when you actually start over. We're going to show you guys the cheat when you start over, okay?
Well, I'm pretty sure you guys get it. So you guys
No. Not when, like... So, the cheat is... I can explain it. Okay. I just started the game, and I'm already at a trillion.
No.
What am I at? A
You're
million.
Like 36,000.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm at 1 point something. It's not a point, but it's like 5 digits. Yay!
Alright, so I upgraded my bucket once.
Okay, that's once. One
So
upgraded,
I go
then
to June 1st.
Why? You cannot go updates.
And
I mean,
boom,
years.
I'm already at 10,000.
Wow!
Upgrade my bucket again. Upgrade the hour. Do it again.
And that's how you cheat on Make It Rain. Love the money. And that's how you cheat on Make It Rain. Love the money.
Love of money.
Love of money. Okay, let's see. And that's how you cheat on Make It Rain of love of the money.
Love of money.
And that's how you cheat on Make It Rain love of money. And that's how you cheat on Make It Rain love the
Your
love
teeth are
of
yellow.
money. No, that's how it is. Look at yours.
What's that?
I
What's up? Oh, move.
And
Face
that's
it
how you
towards
cheat
me.
on Make It Rain love of
Face it
money.
toward me. Face it.
And that's how you cheat on Make It Rain love of money. Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, guys. We are going to help my brother do the cheat.
No.
Or he's really sassy. Okay,